What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. We looked at this coin just yesterday and already it's up by 25%. Is it a big deal? Should you be looking into it? And what do I think can happen in terms of the price for this coin? FLR now rank 84. Absolutely crazy price movements here. So we can see a lot of good juicy price action, up to 0.04 to $5, up 26% against Bitcoin. We can see the last 7 days have been very bullish. They do have a live airdrop at the moment, and there's a lot of crazy things going on around this coin. We have the Coinbase roadmap listing also teasing that they're going to list this coin. So a week ago it was 3 cents, and now it's up to 0.042. Just yesterday we looked at this coin on my channel, as we can see, when the price was 0.034, and then bam, the price went up, which is really cool to see right there. So I'm very bullish on this token. I think we can see a lot of juicy things happen for this coin. It's got a $500 million market cap with 12 billion tokens in supply at the moment. 100 billion total supply, so it's looking pretty good. I think we can see this coin do a lot of damage in the crypto bull market. Connect everything. FLR is an EVM based layer 1 blockchain for building applications that use decentralized data from other chains and the internet. Layer 1 with native data and state acquisition. When you look at CoinMarketCap, exactly what FLR is, as we know, it's an EVM based layer 1 blockchain. This allows developers to build applications that are interoperable with blockchains and the internet. Therefore, they provide the centralized access to high integrity data. FLR enables new use cases and monetization models. So what makes FLR unique? FLR's native interoperability protocols, the state connector and the FTSO, which secure the network by itself. They all make it very unique. So really cool stuff actually, guys, to be honest. FLR at the moment, you can see they have the FLR drop 0.1, which is live. 676 million FLR can be claimed by wallets holding wrapped FLR tokens. This is the first of 36 monthly FLR drops, so have a look at it, guys. Understand how you get into the airdrop itself. Read this guide that they have provided on the Twitter. In the total across the drops, 24.2 billion FLR will be claimable. That is absolutely massive. Remember, that's 3 years. That's like a really long linear vesting period. So it's very cool to see this particular hype that we can see. Here is the official tweet for that. Loads of traction. It's already been live for just over a week now. This is what happened yesterday. This is what happened yesterday, guys. Well, actually, just this morning, this was published. We can see Coinbase adds FLR to listing roadmap. Coinbase announced that FLR has been added to its listing roadmap. Okay, how about this for some speculation? When we look over at FLR, currently it's listed on all these exchanges, but not Binance. So if it's getting listed on Coinbase, there's a very good chance we will see this also get listed on Binance, which is super bullish. So following this, you know, the coin went absolutely flying, of course, which is really good. Coinbase are focusing on increasing transparency for new asset listings on Coinbase. As we see here, part of this roadmap, we see the only one we can see native blockchain assets is FLR token. So it's the only one on this little roadmap right here. This little increasing transparency article that we've got right here, which was actually published a long time ago. This is now added to this list. So it's very interesting. It's not an exhaustive list. This is just one that they decided to add here, but I'm very keen to see what might happen. Now, for those of you that want to get into a Discord, crypto Discord with signals and such, I do have a Patreon page down below that I want to share with you guys. Maybe you're on the hunt for some signals and you want to learn technical analysis. Well, my Discord channel is the right place for this. Here's the trading chat right here, and here are the trading cards. This is exactly all of the trades that are going down from the in-house analysts. We've got myself, we've got Dominic, we've got Shiris as well. So there's 3 guys that are going to help you trade in the market. And as you can see, just looking at this, there's some juicy gains that you don't want to be missing out on. So click the link down below to the Patreon page or the Discord. Come say hi, don't be shy, guys, and you know, let's talk about what you potentially want, because for as little as just $10 a month you can get access to these trading signals. Anyway, more on that later. VIP access if you want to get into the pre-sales, things like Love Hate Enu and such are also linked down below. Have a look at those. Not financial advice, of course. So what's going on with FLR at the moment? We can just look at a bit of analysis. We can see that we are now overbought on the RSI. Overbought on that RSI. The last time we were overbought on the RSI, we came down, and guess what? The last time we were overbought on the RSI, pretty much came down again. So there's 3 historical points of data points that we've got right here. Overbought, price came down, bearish divergence on this occasion. Overbought here, and we can see the price did come down from the 0.048, and again we're looking overbought. We're speculating, is the price going to come down again? It could very well do, but on this occasion it might actually get a bullish reversal. If the trajectory of Bitcoin is also bullish, we could also see some nice bullish continuation for everything, all altcoins, depending on how April is going to look. What I can recognize is that basically 0.0382 is a strong level of support, and this range here down between 0.029 and 0.033 cents again looks like a very, very nice area to potentially dollar cost average into if it did come back down. So we can see that we're very much overextended on this 20-day moving average here. We are pretty overbought on the 4-hour time frame. So realistically, if we're looking at corrective phases, I do think the 0.5 Fibonacci makes sense at 0.038. But if we do for some reason get some more bullish continuation, just because this coin is so hyped right now, there's a good chance we're going to see more movement to the upside. But right now we're printing some lower highs. We're also printing a bit of a lower low, so we are in almost a descending channel sort of format here, which could also speculate that we might form a bit of a double top. But the thing is, guys, I don't really care about the short-term movement that much. Yes, for trading, but if I'm buying a coin to hold for the long term, then I really do not care if I'm buying at 0.04 or 0.03 or even 0.05 up the top, because I believe it's going to go so much higher at some point in time. So this is what we have to go on. Analysis wise, we can see the speculation is that we want to basically break through this resistance trend line, which is this yellow trend line here. We want to break through 0.043. Now I look at FLR, I look at the market cap, I see $500 million. I think, okay, 10x is realistic. $5 billion is what we could be seeing in the crypto bull run. Why not? We can absolutely see that, which would effectively 10x the price to 40 cents. But then we have to also consider the circulating supply. If 10x of supply is injected into the circulating supply right now, then we would see the price diminish again to 0.004. So yes, we can see a $5 billion market cap, but we might also see 100 billion coins, which again would mean the price would be exactly the same as it is right now. So this is just the way I look at things, but I do think there is a lot of potential for this coin, getting loads of volume right now, and it's looking really, really good. So bull market targets, total supply aside, I'd be looking at least around 10 cents minimum 10 cents using our fib extension tool. I think there's a lot of good things going around this coin. Do a bit of research on it, guys. Have a little look, get yourself into that Discord down below. And the fear ingredient index today is sitting at 59. So there's a bit of a wrap on FLR. You are now updated with this altcoin. If you are new to the channel, you're right there. Smash that subscribe button and do comment and like on this video. Remember, I also have a $1,000 giveaway that I'm doing, which is also, guess what, linked just down below for you to take a look at. So $1,000 winner announced on the 20th of April. It's just one person is going to win $1,000. You just got to basically head to my Twitter, retweet this page, follow Love Hating You, and do a few other little thingies just here. And yeah, that would really help me. That will potentially help you and someone else maybe win $1,000. So really, really cool. Thanks for watching this video. Let's see what's going to happen to FLR, and yeah, get yourself in the Discord. See you all very soon. Bye for now.